Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a very practical set of acoustic guitar parts and accessories. This package is designed to be a handy little kit for guitar players, especially for those unexpected moments or just for general maintenance. Inside this set, you get a total of 12 guitar bridge pins, 6 in a traditional ivory color and 6 in black, giving you options depending on your guitar's look or your preference. Beyond the pins, the kit also includes a guitar bridge saddle and a guitar bridge nut, which are essential components that affect your guitar's tone and action. A particularly useful item included is a plastic bridge pin puller. This tool is lightweight and portable, and its purpose is to make removing those sometimes stubborn bridge pins much easier and safer. It helps you avoid needing pliers or side cutters, which could potentially scratch or damage your guitar's bridge. It's presented as an essential tool for anyone doing guitar maintenance or changing strings regularly. This acoustic guitar accessory set is positioned as a practical replacement for parts on older or damaged guitars. It's designed to fit most acoustic guitars, making it quite versatile. The idea is that anything you might need to adjust or fix regarding your strings and the bridge pins is covered by the components in this kit. Having these guitar bridge pegs readily available is certainly convenient, just in case one breaks or gets lost. The application of these guitar pins is quite wide. They can be used on most classical guitars, folk guitars, ukuleles, and even Martins. They are described as a handy and reliable solution for replacing existing bridge pins. The entire set comes in a small plastic bag, which is good for keeping all the pieces together for storage or for easily carrying them in a gig bag. Because it's so useful and portable, it's also suggested as a great gift for anyone who enjoys playing the guitar. It provides them with the necessary parts to reassemble their guitars, helps them with maintenance, and allows them to keep playing and enjoying their music without interruption. It seems like a solid, useful kit to have on hand for any acoustic guitar player.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.